Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove sharing of Google Drive files and folder. Okay, if you have shared something from Google Drive to others, and now if you want to remove them, you can remove it easily. So guys, I'm going to show in my desktop, but if you're using phone, that you have to use you can use the Google Drive application and you can follow the same step. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I am on my Google Drive, so I have to log in first with my Google account and come to the Google Drive here. Okay, so in my drive here you can see all your folders and files. So just find out which folder or file you have shared. Just click on it and just right click on it and go to the share. So I just click on this folder. So guys, just click just select this folder and click right on it, and you have to go in share. In share you in share, if you have shared this file by email ID, you can see the all email ID which where you have saved. This is your owner means you, and this is email ID where I have shared this file. If you want to remove this, just click on this tiny arrow and you can remove from here. Okay, just remove from here, and after remove just click on save. And if you share this file via email, sorry, link, go again, get link and make it restricted, or if there is anyone this link, so make it restricted. This. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for